Hey guys, welcome back. So today I'm going to show you the way that I straighten my hair with volume. I have gotten a few requests for this, and even though that maybe I don't feel like I do anything super extra different, maybe there's something that I do that you can pick up on that you don't do yourself and that can help you out when straightening your hair. So you can see that my hair is very movable. The roots are lifted. It's just not completely 100% flat. So the first product that I use is this one by Redken. This is the Pillow Proof Blow Dry Spray, and I apply this when my hair is wet. And the brush that I'm going to use is the Revlon Ionic. This is a blow dryer brush, so you do plug it in. It works just like a blow dryer does. It's just in a brush form. I got this one from Walmart. I will have it linked in the description box if you want to check it out. And you can see right here that the bristles are very close together. So what I'm going to do is section my hair with about ½ inch of a section. You don't want to get it too thick because you want to make sure that you blow dry your hair 100% to where it's 100% dry. If you leave anything wet or anything just kind of damp, it's going to get frizzy. So I'm going to go ahead and blow dry both sides, the top and the bottom, and I'm going to concentrate the ends, curving them towards the inside of my face. Now, if you don't have a blow dryer brush like this, you can always use a regular round brush and the blow dryer. I just don't use those because it's harder for me. I'm doing this by myself and I have a lot of practice with this brush. So this is what I've just been using for years already. Okay, so I'm going to show you this one and another blow dryer brush that you can use if you want to, but I don't use these because these have either plastic bristles or the bristles are too separated. My hair is very thick, so if I use any of those type of brushes, it won't work on me, but they do sell them. You will see them. It's just that's not what works best. For me, what works best is when the bristles, there's a lot of them first of all, and when they're close together, because that's what's going to get my hair to be completely smooth. But remember, I do have a lot of hair, so maybe the other one's going to work for you. It depends on your hair type. So as you can see, I am doing the same thing, blow drying towards the inside of my head. And right here, I'm showing you the section that I'm going to blow dry towards the front. And I feel like this is the part that gives me a lot of volume on my roots, is because I'm blow drying this entire section to the front towards my face. And I am curving it in and out. It doesn't really matter here that much where I go. If I curve it out, once I push my hair back, it will be towards the inside anyway. So all I'm doing is making sure that everything is 100% dry. This does take me about 10 to 15 minutes to blow dry, but it does make the straightening process a lot faster. So if I were to just regular blow dry it, whenever I get to straightening it, that would take me forever. So you can see right here that I grabbed too thick of a section, and I'm going to part it in half because then it's not going to be dry and it's going to leave my hair frizzy back there, and I don't want that. So I'm just doing the same thing, blow drying it, and I'm going to start feeling it, making sure that I have everything, that nothing is wet, that everything is completely dry, nothing feels frizzy. And I'm just brushing through my entire head right here. So now that I'm done, I'm just feeling it, making sure that everything is dry, and I'm flipping it to the back, and you can see right there that just blow drying it to the front made me have a lot of volume, and that is how it's gonna look. It's very smooth. You can even leave it like this if you want to, but now I'm going to show you how I straighten it. So I'm using the Babyliss Pro Straightener. I have been using this one for years, and this one, it does have different settings that you can put it on. I personally like it on 450. My hair is already pretty straight because I just blow dried it. By the way, this is the comb that I'm going to use. But I like to use it on 450 because I feel like if I do anything super low, I have to go over my hair so many times, and I'm just like putting more heat on it anyways. So I might as well just use it on the high setting and only go through it maybe 3 times at the most. But that's just for my hair type, so maybe you don't have as much. Maybe yours is less wavy or less curly and you don't need it that high. So right here you can see that I'm curving it, or I'm straightening it, but I'm using the straightener, but I'm curving my hair from the root to the ends. And I'm not completely flipping my ends inwards, so it's not gonna be like a little girl hairstyle, but I give it volume whenever I straighten it from, or whenever I curve it, I should say, from the roots all the way to the ends. And I'm not straightening it flat down parallel with my face, because that's what's going to give me the straight look. And of course today we're doing it with volume, so you can see that I'm pulling my hair almost towards the outside. That's because I'm curving the straightener, and I want to make sure that I get all the way to my roots, because my roots are still a little wavy, and I'm just getting as close as I can, and again just curving the straightener towards the inside of my face. Okay, so now I'm going to take this top section, which is the same section that I blow dried towards the front. I'm going to straighten this one to the front, and again curving it this time towards the inside of my face. Once you push the hair back, it's going to leave all the volume that you're getting from curving it inward. So that's what I'm doing there. And you guys, oh my god, look at the way that my hair looks. The bottom section is light brown, and that is the remaining dye that I have left. Like, that's it. My hair is almost all my natural hair color. I'm super proud of myself because it has taken me a long time to grow out, and now it looks very shiny on top, so I'm very proud of that. So anyways, as you can see right there, I'm doing the same thing. You can't even see my face. That's how much hair I have. I am making sure that everything is straight, everything is sleek, and nothing is left with frizz. Okay, so now that I'm done with that, I'm gonna take my Moroccan oil and I'm gonna grab just a little bit. You don't want to use too much oil on your hair because you're gonna make it heavy. So I'm just taking a little bit. I rub my hands together, and I'm mainly gonna concentrate it on the bottom of my hair. I do take whatever is left to the top, but it's just a tiny bit, just for the flyaways. But like I said, I concentrate most of it on the ends of my hair. And that is the way that it looks at the end, you guys. It's still very movable. It has a lot of volume. And I did cut my hair by myself. If you didn't know, I did do a DIY on my haircut video. It already grew about an inch since that haircut, but I will have it linked right up there in the little I button if you want to check it out. Hopefully you guys found this video helpful and picked up something that maybe you didn't know, or maybe that you didn't do, and it can help you to straighten your hair with volume. This is my favorite way to do it. So thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.